make sure to record your tree species and the number of your tree.
Yellow side is the number.
Give us the content.
No!
Which one's the majority?
Pistos.
Next.
The first one is folios. It's kind of like leaves. And the second one is fruticose. And it's like shrubby or hair. And then the last one is crustose, kind of like crust on the bread. And then there's moss.
Air, and they're going to be absorbing sulfur from every which angle. So we do know in Smoky that some of these foliar lichens, especially when they're wet and there's acid rain, they do bring in a lot of sulfur. We also know that some of the fruticose, even though they stick out from the tree, they have this nice kind of crunchy shell, which helps protect them a little bit. So unless they're very, very wet, they're not really going to pick up as much, where these foliar lichens are a little bit, I guess, juicier would be the way I would describe them. So they do tend to pick up air pollution a little bit more. So what we're checking is, over time, are we losing some of these more sensitive species, and are they being replaced by the more tolerant species? So your data today is really good information for us, and I know that you all did a very good job today at collecting data. So I went around to each group and I saw that you were being very careful about crustose, foliose, fruticose, and I want to thank you for that. So your data is going to go into our database. We have it online. It's on a site called Hands on the Land, and we put your data on there, and that means that other groups who come in the future can compare to the information you collected for us today.